So today we're starting our lessons in physics. So we'll look at introduction to physics. So physics is actually a very challenging course, and it calls for your very professional skills, I can say. It needs a lot of your effort, time, and you need a very good guidance to excel in physics. So I'll take you step by step, introducing the topic as well as giving you the skills on how to handle each topic, because in physics each topic requires different skills. The skill that you can use on another topic may not work on another topic, and in a physics is a build-up course. What you learned in the previous chapter, it becomes very important to understand the subsequent chapters. So it is vital and very important of us to make sure that we understand each topic before we move to another topic. It's been a challenge through my experience and other people's experience. If you do not understand the first topics, it is very difficult for you to understand physics in the days to come, on the topics that you cover in later days. And as such, I want you to follow me clearly, follow me well, understand. Where you don't understand, ask questions. Alright, so introduction to physics. We're going to define physics and introduce the first topic in physics. So physics is still defined like you defined it in high school, as the study of matter and the energy possessed by matter. So we're going to study matter and energy that is possessed by matter. That will be the definition for physics. So physics is still defined as study of matter and energy possessed by it or by matter itself. Okay, that's that. Now I want us to understand matter. Matter is simply any substance. We still define matter as any substance that occupies space and has mass. Okay, that's how we are going to define physics. If you want, we can define energy, but there will be another topic that we are going to look at, which is called work, energy and power. But for the sake of understanding the whole definition, energy is the ability to perform work. Okay, alright, so we've understood the definition of physics. The other thing we need to understand now is our first topic, which is called units and measurement. Units and measurements. Alright, so this topic is very simple and short, easy to understand. Units and measurements. Alright, so first thing first, we need to understand what is a unit. So a unit is simply a scale. I will show you what a unit is, as well as we need to understand what is measurement. We need to understand what measurement is. So measurement is a combination of a unit and a number. Okay, so we're going to say that you have measured something, or this is a measurement, if it has a number and a unit. I know you know unit. You know what a unit is. Now, this is what I'm going to do for you to understand better. If I write 3 and I say, okay, I've measured a distance from here to the hospital is 4. 4 what? 4 seconds, 4 meters, 4 liters, 4. So you see, it doesn't give the complete meaning. So if I put any letter in front of 3, it will tell me something. It will tell me the information about it, what 3 is all about. So let me say 3 meters. So now, if I've measured a distance and I say, okay, the distance from my place to the hospital is 3 meters, this will give you the whole information. You are going to understand. If you find 3 meters, even if they don't say anything, you'll be able to say, okay, 3 meters, it simply shows that they were measuring something and it was found to be 3 meters. And this is what we call a measurement. You said it's a combination of a number, which is 3, and a unit. A unit in this case is m. This will be our unit. And then we can say that we have a measurement. So m is a unit, kg is a unit, joules is a unit, watts, second, these are units. Okay. Now we'll go deeper in measurements, but first I want us to understand a little bit further on units. So these units can be derived units. Okay, we can have derived units and base units. Okay, so let's start with base units. Okay, these base units are units that exist independent, right? Units that exist independently. Okay, what do you want a derived unit? So derived units are units that come by a result of combination of units. So essentially, combination of units. So we can say 2 meters per second. So I've combined meters and seconds. That will be combination of units. Alright. Now we understand what measurement is. Now there are the things that we measure. We have what we call the fundamental physical quantities. These quantities are as follows: fundamental physical quantities. Okay, now that we know what a measurement is, but what do we measure? We measure physical quantities. Now, what is physical quantity? I want to get you through every word in whatever I write so that you understand. And I told you earlier to say, whenever I'm introducing anything, I'll give you a skill on anything. And the skill here is that whenever you are studying or whenever you are learning anything, understand the title, because that's the subject for that particular lesson. If you don't understand the subject or the main heading, in short, in simpler terms, you will not understand what follows. So that's why I'll try my best to break down every word that you're supposed to understand. Okay? What is a physical quantity, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, what is a physical quantity? What is a physical quantity? So a physical quantity is simply any substance with measurable features. Okay? Any substance with measurable features. Okay, that's why I said that we know measurement, but what do we measure? We measure the physical quantities. What is a physical quantity? Anything that has a measurable feature, anything that has something you can measure. Okay, a table, you can measure its height, its length. It's a physical quantity. A cup, you can measure its volume. So it's a physical quantity. Alright. Okay. It's got some measurable feature. Okay. I must say it has some measurable features. So those measurable features will be the physical quantities. Alright. So we have 7 fundamental physical quantities. Number 1 being mass. Mass can be measured, right? It can be measured in kilograms, kgs, kilograms. The symbol for mass is capital letter M. Okay, like that. We have time. Time is measured in seconds. Okay, measured in seconds. Okay, seconds. We have temperature. Temperature is measured in the unit for temperature is Kelvin. Kelvin. Okay, and then we have amount of substance. Substance is measured in moles. The symbol is just MO. Yeah. Alright.